What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. I'm super freaking gassed to finally be making this video. We're gonna be heading to the garage and finally installing Whiteline front and rear sway bars with the end links. So I'm super gassed. Let's get to this video. All right, guys, so we're in the garage. We're gonna get Scooby pulled in. We're gonna start jacking her up and tackling these sway bars. Let's get it. We're good. All right, guys. So we got Scooby jacked up. Let's get you a little preview of what we got going on here. We got the Whiteline Sway Bars front and back with the adjustable end links. So, I mean, I've had this already for a while and I've been meaning to install it, and finally my boy Mitch coming in clutch and he's like, fuck it, man. Let's send it. Let's install this shit. So let's get to it.
We got 3 settings also.
Oh, that's dope.
So it's hard, like normal, and soft, or vice versa.
That's dope.
Yeah. Hold on, here, use this.
Let's see.
Pull that out. Get that. Yep. Just get it out of there. There you go.
Nice. All right, guys, here she comes. My boy Mitch going to work, man. Literally took us about 15 minutes to get the rear stock OEM sway bar out. And here she is.
Yep, keep going. Yep, yep.
All right, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so fast forward a few days. We ended up, finishing up the rear sway bars on Scooby. So now we're just gonna, get her up, start tackling the front, and finish this up.
right on the fucking nut. Goddamn. Hey, that's what the tie rod's here for, right? We love Subarus here. Oh, nice. I don't know what you're talking about. It's tie rods.
Here we go, baby. Bench press that front sway bar.
Yo, new PR, baby. Holy shit.
All right, guys. All right, guys. So we actually finally got the front sway bar out. It was way easy. Yeah,
it was kind of easy. Yeah.
It really was. So we're gonna start putting our end links on the white line, get the white line in, and call it a day. And I'll get a review for you guys too. So.
We have a problem?
Just having the brace line up again. All right, guys. So we got my boy Harry under here finishing up. The Whiteline Sway Bar is finally installed. Definitely, you know, takes a little bit of time, but really easy install, to be honest. All right, guys. So it's kind of hard to see, but the Whiteline Sway Bar is installed. She's all set. So we're gonna drop the car. I'm gonna, you know, drive it for a few days, get a nice review going for you guys, and we'll catch you then. So, all right, guys, the freaking Whiteline Sway Bars feel absolutely amazing. Definitely, you know, an upgrade that I recommend you guys doing. On the turning, the body roll, it really eliminates so much body roll. It feels absolutely amazing. Super easy install. Like I said, I highly recommend you guys doing it. And the best part was the install. It was fun. It was a cool install. You could feel the way, you know, it changed the car right away once you know, did it. It's such a noticeable upgrade. You know, as soon as you get them both on there, the front and the rear, you get on the road, you really feel it. So definitely, you know, definitely worth doing the freaking sway bars. Whatever sway bars you choose, we ended up going with the white line, but highly recommend it, especially, you know, if you're pushing a little bit more power on your Subi. It feels absolutely great. Remember, guys, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, show us the love, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.